Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
In a bid to sell its development agenda to the people, governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, has established an interactive platform known as the Sheriff Call Center. Volunteers at the call center who have been interfacing with the people say they are getting useful feedback, which hopefully will be integrated into the action plan of the Delta State PDP governorship candidate. The Sheriff Call Center, established by the PDP governorship candidate in Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, is an interactive platform to exchange ideas with the electorate on issues of governance ahead of the 2023 governorship election. On a daily basis, volunteers at the call center located in Warri make and receive calls from hundreds of Deltans across 3 senatorial districts of the state. Since the establishment of the Sheriff Call Center, many Deltans have been calling in to express solidarity with the PDP governorship candidate, who they describe as their preferred candidate in the governorship race.
For the call center, I still make a call, make I still know what the place is all about.
Okay, thank you very much.
All of my people too.
Okay, thank you very much, Baba Saviour. Baba Saviour, first of all, where are you coming from?
They call you from Oborevwori.
Okay, from Oborevwori. Okay, thank you very much. So this call center, you know Oga Sheriff will be a PDP governorship candidate.
Yes, I like that man well. That man will go vote my children and wife. We don't plan to go vote.
In the same vein, calls are made by volunteers at the Sheriff Call Center to a cross-section of Deltans to find out their development needs and expectations in the next political dispensation.
I would like to hear from you, sir. What are the challenges you think you may feel as a person, and also the challenges you think that is disturbing the people of Delta State, that you want Honorable Sheriff to do for you and the people of Delta State in his incoming administration?
First of all, I need to commend you guys and Honorable Sheriff for bringing this platform to reach the Delta.
Thank you, sir.
I think it would be better for him to put into the aspect of road network and electricity, because as a common man who is an entrepreneur, travel with his life.
Definitely.
So it would be a plus if he do this for us, and also consider employment.
The Sheriff Call Center was established a few weeks ago in furtherance of the MORE agenda of the PDP governorship candidate, which seeks to achieve meaningful development, opportunities for all, realistic reforms, as well as enhanced peace and security in Delta State. Dr. Vincent Odogbo, National Coordinator of Delta Connect, says the call center is designed to promote inclusive and participatory governance, which are the hallmarks of the government Right Honorable Oborevwori intends to run in Delta State.
It's a platform where Deltans are owning the process of governance. For the first time, Deltans are feeling the impact of being a part of a state. A candidate is giving them the opportunity to own their own thing. So the contributions also are coming, how things can be done properly, as well as the complaints, negligence, abandoned projects in some areas, projects that have been fully paid for, but abandoned by contractors. Now the people are owning the whole thing, and this is what Sheriff is all about. When he said he wants to give more to Deltans, this is part of it.
Considering the huge response from callers so far, Dr. Odogbo hints that there are plans to expand the scope of activities at the call center to reach out to more Deltans.
An average of 300 to 500 calls come in every day, and on the outgoing level, I think about each of the call operators do 100 calls daily. And we are looking at how to increase that space so that we can cover more grounds. According to Mrs. Ejiro Agofure, the Publicity Secretary of Delta Connect, the Sheriff Call Center also serves as a sensitization and public enlightenment instrument during the electioneering period.
The PVC distribution has already begun. It's been kicked off by INEC, and a lot of persons do not know yet I can tell you that we have made calls to quite a number of persons that have told us, oh, they were not aware that INEC had actually started distributing the PVCs. But by virtue of having this center created, this knowledge is going out. I am so positive that this center is going to transcend the election period.
The interactive platform created by Right Honorable Oborevwori in the build-up to the 2023 Delta State governorship election brings innovation and novelty to electioneering campaigns in Nigeria. It's expected to further cement the already cordial relationship between the PDP governorship candidate and Deltans from all walks of life, and will serve as a major driver of his social contract with the people.
Inside the Niger Delta,